Howdy folks, Kirk and Jay here with Kirk Giordano Plastering. I'm going to show you what goes on in the mind of a plastering contractor. Now, I'm doing some work in the back and the homeowner took me this way. And I walked right by this thing and I thought, whoa! It reminded me of that movie with Austin Powers. He's like, Kirk, where are you at? I said, I'm in the front. I was looking at this and I thought, man, you know that comedy where the guy's touching the mole with a stick and stuff? That's how, when I look at jobs, this stuck out to me just that much. Anyway, I'm going to show you how we fix that. I didn't tell the homeowner I was going to do this, but I'll see if he notices it. Here's what I use, guys. See this bonding agent? It's Quikrete. Quikrete is sold at HD or Lowe's. We also use a lot of Weld-Crete, which is only sold at the material yards, plastering material yards. Both of them the same, guys. They're just concrete to concrete bonders. And for the last 50 years, we use them for painted surfaces because what I'm about to do will not adhere to this painted surface unless there's a bonding agent. Okay, it's pretty hot out here and this mud is kind of dried up, but I'm going to show you something. Boom. Put a little bit on this. A little bit on this. Ooh, it's hot. Okay. This is what when I come and look at jobs, if I see a bunch of imperfections, that's the first thing I notice. Then I tell the guy, I said, well, let me walk it one more time because I want to look for access. How am I going to get my mud in through all that mud we're doing in the whole addition in the back? And I thought, let me walk it again. And I did the same thing again. I looked at it and I thought, wow. Life and times of a big-time stucco guy. We notice stuff like this. Okay, now that that's on it, just regular Portland cement, I'm going to take a green sponge float. And I'm just going to wipe this painted surface real quick. And here's how we do it, guys. We take it and just feather right into the existing because this is a heavy float finish. Now, what do you think? The guy's going to come home. He's got to paint the whole addition we're doing anyway. Think he'll say, man, what the heck are you doing all that stuff? Now I got to paint that too. I doubt it. I think he'll say, hey, Kirk, I noticed you took care of that spot. Cool beans, because it was annoying the hell out of me too. Anyway, that's how you do it, guys. It's such a quick, simple fix. Blam. Boom, it's done. Now I can quit. Every time I walk by here, I stop and I look at it. I think, really? My name is Kirk. Jason's on the camera. We guys, thank you for watching. And as usual, we'll see you on the next one.
All right, folks, we want to thank you for watching how we do things in the stucco and plastering world. We really enjoy your questions and comments, so if there's anything you want to learn about that we can show you, please let us know in the comments. And as always, from the entire Giordano family,
we'll see you on the next one.